Give it to me. Here. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
I love you. Okay, and I'm doing my makeup now. Good. Give me a flower. Give me, oh. Give me a flower. Oh, that's actually pretty aesthetic. With my necklace and my Ruffy brush.
Mama.
Anyway, I'm just getting ready.
One more left for Tita Mary.
Yeah, and then tell her to hurry up. Keep reminding her. You gotta keep reminding her. That's how our dynamic works. Isang pusher, isang lagger. Kasi actually, I'm allowed to sleep in a little bit. Kasi nga, when I get ready, I can only take 30 minutes when I know it's rushed. But ate kasi really takes her time. That's why.
No pressure.
No pressure, but hurry up.
Pressure na. Just like me.
Ako napapressure na ako, pero
Feeling ko lahat ng
okay.
panganay ganyan eh.
Takes her time.
Ganyan din eh.
Kaya nga inayos ko time management ko. Kailangan ko ng 3 hours to get ready. Talaga, no joke.
Yung marami pang standby pa. Check yung phone, everything.
Ayun, nakahilata pa kanina, nakapanty, nagsisayang. Sabi ko, oh! Nandiyan ka pa! Kala ko tulog ka pa eh.
Kapag tulog ka pa, di siya ikilos.
I know! Eh di mas matagal kami. What is that? Oh my God. The lighting is giving. We're finally going to the lighthouse today, which, you know, we didn't go to yesterday kasi it was so tirik ng araw.
Mas mamaya dito na tayo tatambay, lalabas ng for merienda. Aray!
Gawin mo nga!
Yung nga! Kuya mo talaga puro kalawa.
Lahat ng kabastusan nasa utak.
Lagi minsan pag nag-i-imagine ako, di ka mapigilan.
Yeah!
Nagugutin naman to.
I think you're sick. Hey guys, we're in Baler Aurora Lighthouse. Asan pa yung ko? Ito sa akin.
Ate, ito sa'yo. Kasi solo ka.
O, tangin na
Kami
mo.
Hindi, may si Ben.
Ayan, dalawa kasi kami.
Solo ka.
Ikaw okay na yan sa'yo.
Single forever. Single for...
Kasi malaki.
Mamamatay ka mag-isa.
Oh, say hi! Grabe, ang ganda naman ng lighting. Nakakaiyak. Eh, hindi. Ito yung lighting na sinasabi ko. Hey! Saan? Ah, teka, baka malubat. Hey guys, we're gonna go hiking na.
Nakadress pa naman tayo.
In our dresses and slippers. Wala palang stairs. Pero si Kuya din naman naka-slippers, so I think it's fine.
Albe, taga dito yan, Beng.
For the picture. Kinompare ko sarili ko sa talagang nag-hike. Oh my God. We can do this for the picture. I feel like if Nanay was here, Nanay would be like, hindi kayo magkaganyan. Bumaba na kayo. Huwag kayong ganyan. Tara na.
Tignan sa cellphone ko, diba?
Babe, what do you have to say about hiking?
I've done hiking before.
Oh yeah, you have. Di ikaw na. Di ikaw na nakapag-hike. Look, hi. Okay ka lang dyan? Sabayan mo kaya si Kuya para may kaduho ka. Magulat ka sa...
Pwede dito. Para sexy kami dito.
Tramp stamp! Saan, Kuya? Saan? Tramp stamp?
Dito.
Hey!
Isa lang.
May kasamang...
Nakahugas ko lang. Pwede ba?
Hindi!
Ay, wag madubi kasi. Wag na.
Pwede mo!
Pwede, sige.
Wag!
Uy! Pag nagtupis ako mamaya, para ako ano yung galing Japan.
Tatakot! Tramp stamp!
Doggy me!
Tramp stamp! Kadiri!
Dugyot.
Natin, taga Las Piñas kami. Bakit?
Sino nagsabing hindi pwedeng mag-hike ng nakadress at tsinelas? No one can say otherwise.
Sa aura pa yan.
That view. Ayun na yung lighthouse.
Gagi, ang
Onting
lamig, tara
push na lang.
konti na lang, oh.
Okay, checkpoint number 1. Ryusujin! Saranghe! This is tiring. I suggest if you guys are gonna go to the Baler Lighthouse, wear hiking clothes first or shoes, or at least shoes, you know. Because it's, apparently, there's no staircase pala. I thought it would be like smooth going. Di pala. This is cardio for the day.
Ate mo! Magpakatotoo ko. Takot ka na.
Gusto ko mag-premiere. Sanggip, no? Sanggip tayo pag-uwi.
Ayun na, onti na lang. Onting push na lang, guys. Ano ba naman? What is this, brother?
One with nature.
One with nature. Literal. May jump stop siya.
Ayusin mo. Dito katingin ka lang sa
Kuya
harap.
literally has a jump stamp
1, 2, 3.
on his freaking... Look at him just run, bro. Literally, what's on a show? You can see his head. Where's his head? Right there. Right there. Bro, he literally went faster than us. Just jog, bro. Bro. Ayun lighthouse. Ayun lighthouse. Ate, stop that! Ate, stop recording muna! Ate Mary! Oh my god, this girl! Ate! Stop recording! Stop your phone! Matirik dyan! Ito si Mary, hindi ka naka-hiking gear! Bro. Ayan na siya. Ano yung movie na horror na may lighthouse siya pinatay? Eh.
Okay, game!
All this view, but you're the best view. All this view, but you're the best view, baby. Ay! Kala ko nag-stop na. Dito na kami. Kanya! Hi! Nahirapan ako umikot. Wait lang, nakakatakot.
Wala ako nakapag-load.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, nandun tayo. Doon ka kay kuya. Yay! Yay! Kunwari nag-usap lang tayo dito.
Ay, wait lang. Papapidyo rin ako. Hey! Baler.
Say hi! Opa, saranghayo!
Apa niya?
Hindi ko nagawa yung screaming, but daddy, I love him now. I'm having his baby. Wah!
One, two.
Papa, can you hear me?
No, I can't.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Sabi na ang jeep.
I don't like.
One, two.
Ayun, mag-pollution. Tayo ka limit na lang ano.
Tawa. Tawa yung dalawa.
Pa, 1, 2, 3, tawa.
Picture sa picture. Harap kayo dito. Sabay-sabay. Harap!
Chene!
Yung panty niya gagi.
Wala kita dyan.
Para si nanay.
Oo, para siya si Dad. Pag nakita niyo yung ano, mayroong ano eh.
Okay na lang, best ganun bata. Itsura yung para siya niya mag-reklamo sa pagkain niya.
Kiyomi. Pachami no wa. Kiyomi. Pachami no wa.
Tama na yan.
Kiyomi.
Uy, sa kumpuli.
Oh, dyan doon nadula si Ben. Diyan, madulas dyan. Landi kasi.
Hindi mo na video.
Huhuhu ka pa. Balakang mo kuya, hindi nakakatawa. Balakang mo. Natawa ako pero hindi nakakatawa.
Taba ko ba yun?
Balakang mo.
Ayan na, may pasakan na.
Kita niyo yung last na stand ko?
Oh my gosh, kuya. Sheesh! is that? Wait. Lingan! Say hi! Hi, mga pagod. Hi. We're having lunch. Ow! We're having lunch at Costa Pacifico. Nag-change outfit na tayo. Shorts, t-shirt, bikini na.
Go 85 minutes, right?
Si Ate Mary hindi pa nag-change.
And then, kapag alas ka, may bagnet ka o may bagnet ako, kasi nag-isang ulam na lang.
Gusto niyo makita si Ann Curtis nung bata-bata? Ha? Gusto niyo makita?
Oh, ayun na yung sa lighthouse?
Hindi. Yan yung sa Kubli kahapon sa Cabana. Si Ann Curtis yan.
Oo,
Yung makita si Ann Curtis nung bata.
Ayaw nga.
Ayun, kala ko
Yun yung
pagtatawanan ako eh.
Uy, codes.
Yan, pwede yan. Aray!
Now that is the reason why I am the Lulu. Because my parents are supportive of my Deluluness. That's why this girl is the Lulu. Because they're also supportive of my Deluluness. Airdrop time, airdrop, airdrop time, airdrop. Food is here. And oh my gosh. It looks so good. Look at my food! Betoy's food. After watching Sunny. Salty cow. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Wow, is that some ribs? Is that your ribs?
Yeah, my ribs.
Your ribs with some pineapple. We're back at the hotel. We're at El Serene. And we're just gonna relax at the pool. Look at the pool, it's so pretty. But it's only like 3 feet. There's the beach. Can't believe we took this long to chill here. And si Betoy. Kita na! You might fall ah!
Wow, galing! The real parent. The OG parent.
No, I want to see the camera. Go straight to Mama. Mommy, I don't want to drop you in
it stronger. Careful, hello, your papa's there, run!
Oh, you have to keep paddle.
Come on, let's jump. Jump, I will get you. Don't worry, jump. 1, 2,
Paddle, paddle.
That's it for today. Goodbye.
Oh, rolling.
Look at the sun. The reflection of the clouds is on the sun. It's so nice. Team Sandcastle. Tenga! Tenga! Mad War! Crazy! Hindi pa siya. Careful, Ethan, careful. O, go na to Tito. Alo, opo. O, go na to Tito Benz. Go na to! One, two, three, go! Good morning.
Good morning.
It's our last day in Baler.
It's a last day.
In Baler.
But don't steal more days.
Ay. Do you have 11,000
I want
for 1 month?
4 days.
Oh, you have 44,000?
I want 2 days.
22,000.
3 days.
23,000.
5 days.
It's our last day in Baler. We're just gonna chill here.
But I don't want to go home yet.
I'm still so sleepy, but keep myself awake because I have to savor the last few hours here. Si nanay, puro higa. Mag-dress ka, picture ka. Mamaya na. Sige lang. Para may ma-post ka, nakapita, ma-post sa Facebook.
Meron naman eh. Picture na yun.
Ow! Ow! Ethan, it rolled on my nail! Cover it. Where's your papa? Your papa's there.
I can do left and right if I cover it.
What?
I can do left and right if I cover it. You do.
Good morning. It's our last day. We're gonna go hit the beach. I just put on eyebrows and lipstick. I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone from now on because My camera got into an accident. Good thing my photos are safe. But the videos, I don't know yet. I'll find out when I get back to Manila. But yeah, I'm ready to go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's get away. I need the sunscreen. We need sunscreen. We need sunscreen. There's sunscreen. There's our sunscreen. Need our water. It's Elserine. Bye, Ethan. Oh, the sunlight is giving. What?
Baler!
Baler!
Baler?
What is on your face? Are you eating the milk from outside? Oh, you are. Good morning, parents.
Good morning.
Mac and cheese.
No, that's caught on video. We can replay that and listen to what you just said. Don't say that, right?
Why they don't want me to say smack and face?
Smacking face.
Smacking face.
No, I don't like where it rhymes.
I just said I'm not going to smack anyone. I just said
Okay, good. Let's go to the beach.
Not smacking.
I already have so many toys.
Oh, you said that, Don't ask for any more toys,
Okay. I want to touch it.
Oh, you video. Don't touch it. You just video like that. You see? Dali, back. Like that. So pretty. Breakfast for today. Here you go.
Nasa ano? Nasa ano ni ate? Nasa ano ni...
What is this? Longganisa? That's longganisa. Ate. This is mine.
Ayaw nga pala. Sibes.
Ginising ko na po. Ayaw lang mo kasi. Gisingin ko ulit. Pancake. Orange juice. Say hi! We're having breakfast right now.
Good morning.
Good morning. Here's your breakfast.
Baler.
Halar. Si Betoy, tulog pa. Wow, Chris Hemsworth! Jason Momoa! Hey!
Ayun yung tira kanina.
I want to go back to the tail.
Malinis na. Tama ba?
I want to go back to the tail.
Sabi, tissue mo.
That's it.
What?
Pansinin mo yung siya.
Tatagalan siya sa amin. Tsura.
Ba't ba kasi ayaw mo pumunta doon?
O dyan. Tara. Under the sun. Tsura. Ate, tinakpan mo.
Ay, sorry. Oh, sad na siya.
Wait lang, huwag ka na tawin. Tingnan mo na. Yan.
May halos pa nga eh. Siguro siya ganun maglakad.
Okay.
Tunali yan, tunali.
Ba't di nagsasalita?
Eh, pagod na siya kaya lalapit na lang.
What? Ha? Ate! Okay! Baba is awake. But he doesn't want to swim. He wants to just relax there. Kasi pag nag-beach ka, si Ethan, kukunin ka.
The whole day that kid was with me.
I told you kasi to come with me sa undercar eh.
She kept me. I didn't poop.
Ew. I pooped kanina umaga. Your face.
Go na.
I'm Salve, not Tita Mary.
Tita Sabi.
Remove your Crocs na.
Nanay, my phone.
Wow, phone.
Bye-bye. Let's go. Bye.
Si Betoy.
Hey, say hi.
Si Betoy naglinis na rin. Oh.
Hi, Elserin.
Ang gwapo naman ng pool cleaner na to. Chris Evans!
Abot ko. May picture na ako. Ka tayo. Sino taga Golden Gate?
Layo na na. Eh! Tarzan! Di ba si tatay? Eh! We literally have this resort all to ourselves. It's gorgeous. Look at that. We're the only guests right now. Because the peak is per month, like in LU and Boracay. But ngayon, kami lang yung guests. So no rush. Walang kahate. Yeah, we're checking out. Ito na. Cute ng fit ko actually. Just plain black and pink. Thank you! Thank you! Yung batang kulit ay umuwi. So now we're on our way to Cape Cabana to buy some coffee, and then we're gonna go to Church Baler and what's the other one? Museo de Baler.
Ano ka ba na?
Mama, dun din naman daan natin eh.
Okay.
Diba, remember yesterday?
Ay, oo. Kasi
Super lapit lang. Yeah. Doon lahat, I think doon din talaga, ano,
Exit natin.
probably. But either way, we're still gonna go to Church, Baler Church and Museo de Baler. The track.
Track.
Track of the trucks.
Nakita man ba yung track dun?
Ng trucks.
Ng trucks.
Trucks.
Magle-left tayo
Trucks.
lang.
Yeah.
Track ng trucks. Kapag Filipino accent
Track
tayo,
ng trucks.
di ako naguluhan. We're at Baler Church. Ang cute naman nakala mo, oh. Pak, oh. Outfit, oh. Anyway, nasa Baler Church kami, and at Baler Church. Here they are. Wow. This didn't used to look like that. It used to look like really like missions in the States. Still cute, but oh my, sabi mo sila. We're at the house of Ginang Aurora Quezon. Kaming dalawa lang ni ate kasi ayos sumama nila kuya kasi pagod na sila. Hi, Ginang Aurora. Whoa. Natakot ako. I will do 0.5. Maybe it'll be blurry, but it's basically a walkthrough. Wow, look at that. Pagod na kasi si nanay, te. I wouldn't mind living in a place like this sa panahon noon. I feel like until panahon ngayon. Cause, ang ganda, oh. Ganda. Oh. I think they were able to maintain it a bit. Ayan yung, dito yung kapag may nandiligaw. Andito si Binibining Salve. Tapos andun si Binibining Benz. I love you, pero hindi pwede, sabi ng ina. Ganon. Ay.
Ang ganda. Alam mo talaga gusto ko ma-relieve yung ganitong
Panahon, right? Tas
Pero
yung-
hindi yung gera, hindi yung ano.
Ay, hindi. Yeah,
Gusto ko lang makita kung ano kasi. Meron yun.
The simplicity of it. If you think about it, ang simple ng life, pero the way they dress was very
elegant.
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 Like, and then now, kung manamit mga tao, akala mo, mga walang pera sa sobrang nipis ng mga damit. Sino ba nagsasabi ng gano'n? Ay, nakita ko yun. Sino ba nananamit ng manipis, ha? Sino ba?
Video. Maka-arte wag kamay. Magkano ka na, miss? Plancha ka na. Ayan ba yan? Sewing machine. Gagi, akala ko plancha. Ay, ayun yung plancha. Yun yung plancha.
Ito yung mga plansyang ginagamit namin nung nakaraang buhay ko.
Oh,
Nagpa-plancha.
yan yung nalagyan ng charcoal.
Mukhang, nalagyan yung charcoal.
Oo, para uminit yung iron plate. Gagi, huwag mahawa ka na.
Hindi ko hawak ka syempre.
Video.
Diba? Paras kami ng hikaw.
Ay, oo nga, gagsi.
The flower. Uwi na sa aking house.
Kaso di ano?
Casa de Mijares. Ah.
A reflection, but...
Wow. Wow. We're at Museo de Baler. Oh, si ano? Sabi na eh. Bala ko to panoodin eh. Baler ni Ann Curtis tsaka ni Jericho Rosales. Oh, old coins! Wow, old coins.
Yun yung mga palang
Batalyon de Cazadores. What year?
1894.
What the heck? I wasn't born yet. No one was born yet. Damn, their handwriting.
Cursive
Yes, that's so nice. Ang ganda. Ang dami namang circle nito. Nasa may circle.
Ang galing mo, cursive to.
Second floor of Museo de Baler are paintings. Wow. Bruh, the Philippines had gone through so much shit, bro. Why do they do this to us? Why do they do this to us? Bro. This is art. Ganda. Video walkthrough. Sheesh. Mga mandirigma. Oh, wait, this is so cute. Naiyak ako. Oh my God. I think this is my favorite painting. What the fuck? Naiyak ako. Arte. Puyat lang talaga ako kaya ako naiyak. Ate, come here. The lone wolves.
Ayun sa baba.
Kaya... Print writing ko nga lang, medyo maganda lang eh.
You know, yung nag-expand.
Yeah.
The weight na pag pinupush mo siya harder, mas lalo siya mag-expand. Tapos mag-release ng ink. Yan lang.
Yeah, I know. And I can't even freaking watercolor and they use that. I am ashamed of myself. Okay, I think that's it for Museo de Baler because they're waiting for us. So yeah. Bro, this is real. It was preserved. What the? Philippine eagle. Thank you for being our animal. We love you. So cute. I want an eagle. Ganun ko siya lagi. Ganun kami. Apparently, bawal pala mag-video recording sa loob. Pero, I did. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. I didn't see the do's and don'ts. But, I want an eagle. We're done now. We're going back to the car. Time to go home. Bye, Baler. Say bye, Baler. Say bye, Baler. Bye, Baler.
Ay, picture tayo.
Bye, Baler. Pero ayaw umuwi ng bata. Naiyak ang bata. Bye, Baler. See you later, Baler. Uy! Uy, malunggay pandesal from Baler. Bye, Baler. See you later, Baler. Tara, dun tayo sa other side.
Bye, Baler.
Bye, Baler. See you later, Baler. Bye, Baler. Hello, Manila. Bye, Baler. Hello, Manila. Pagod na. Time for Starbies. Dark mocha.
Copycat.